Hello everyone, welcome to Metaverse Insider. In this Oculus Quest 2 tutorial series, you will learn how to factory reset your Oculus Quest 2, how to link your Oculus Quest 2, how to adjust Oculus Quest 2 headset for wearing glasses, how to create multi-user accounts and app sharing, and how to teleport in the Metaverse with your Oculus Quest 2. Let's roll on. If you run a problem with your headset and you want to clear all of your data off of the headset, you can do a factory reset. However, this wipes everything off your Quest or Oculus Quest 2 and returns it to the software state that it was in when you first took it out of the box. Although a factory reset will wipe all the data of your headset, including your account information, sometimes it is the best way to fix software glitches. No matter what the reason is, the team at Oculus has made it easy to perform a factory reset on your Quest VR headset. There are two ways to do so if you would really like to factory reset your Oculus Quest headset. First is by using your phone, and second is by using your headset. To perform a factory reset using your phone, open the Oculus app on the phone connected to your Oculus Quest headset. Tap Settings on the bottom menu. Tap the headset connected to your phone. Then tap More Settings, tap Factory Reset, and tap Reset. Now log into the Oculus app with the account you want to connect with your headset. Set your device up from scratch. To perform a factory reset using your headset, turn off your Oculus by holding the power and volume button on your headset down simultaneously until the boot screen loads on your headset. Use the volume button on your headset to highlight Factory Reset and press the power button. Use the volume button on your headset to highlight Yes and press the power button. Then log in to the Oculus app with the account you would like to connect to your Oculus Quest headset and set your device up from scratch. If, for instance, you have trouble turning your headset on after the reset, hold down the power button for 30 seconds. Again, important reminder before you reset your Oculus Quest headset, performing a factory reset on your Oculus Quest is irreversible and will remove all account information, device data contents, and downloaded games. The good news is that it will not remove the contents you have purchased or downloaded from your Oculus account. Purchased content can be re-downloaded to your device from your library. I will show you how to set up Link in Oculus Quest 2 and how to modify your headset for wearing glasses. Here is how to link your headset to your PC. Oculus Link connects your compatible gaming PC to your Oculus Quest 2 or Oculus Quest headset. To start using Oculus Link, download the Oculus app from oculus.com and install the Oculus app in your PC and follow the instruction to set up your profile. Then turn on your Quest 2 headset. Select Quest 2. Plug the end of the cable into USB port in your PC and plug the angle end of the cable into your headset. Make sure to strap your Link cable to your headset before wearing your headset. Next, put on your headset to complete the headset instruction. You will see a prompt to enable Oculus Link. Click Enable. You can also launch Link via the Quick Action tab located in the Setting menu. Once the Link is launched, you will see a new interface known as Oculus Dash. From here, you can select any game from your library or search the store to buy and play content to your Quest 2 or Quest headset. Alternatively, you can open games from Oculus PC Apps library and launch games directly from your desktop, but in order to do so, make sure that Link is running first. Remember to read and follow the health and safety information provided with the Oculus Link cable or third-party cable before use. Next, how to set up Oculus Quest 2 for wearing glasses. Knowing how to properly modify your VR for your glasses lets you use your glasses comfortably while using the headset. Modifying the headset to work with glasses using the provided glasses spacer is easy. Your glasses frame is compatible with Oculus Quest 2 headset if they are smaller than 142mm wide and 50mm in height. To insert the glasses spacer, gently remove the facial interface foam. Then, attach the glasses spacer to the back of the facial interface with the glasses icon on the top. Press the spacer into the crosser point located on the top and bottom of the facial interface. You could hear a click once the spacer is locked in. Then, reinsert the facial interface foam back into place. How to create multi-user accounts and app sharing in Oculus Quest VR headset. Oculus has introduced multi-user support to the Oculus Quest and Oculus Quest 2. It allows Quest headset users to share their headsets with up to 3 other accounts while preserving their personal game data such as in-game progression, achievements, performance stats, contents, and various other personal information. In addition to that, this update enables app sharing that allows anyone with a secondary login access to your entire catalog of games and apps. I will show you how to create Oculus Quest 2 multi-user accounts and how to set up app sharing in Oculus Quest headset. Oculus allows you to easily add up to 3 additional accounts to your headset. Here is how. Selecting Setting in the navigation bar at the bottom. Then select Experimental Features. Select Multiple Accounts and Library Sharing. Turning on this feature will add up an account option in the Settings sidebar. Select Account in the Settings sidebar, then select Add Account. Hand the headset to the other person to add their account to your headset. In adding an account, make sure that your headset is connected to the internet when you hand it over to the other person so they can set up their account. They'll be guided through the initial setup, including logging into Facebook and setting up Guardian. Removing an account from a device will also remove the account data from a device. To remove additional account from a device, select Setting from the navigation bar at the bottom. Then, select Account and select Remove. Then to the account you wish to remove. Then remove again to confirm. Important note, this will permanently remove the account from the device, including installed apps, downloaded content, and the data stored on the device. So it's important to review it again before hitting the confirm button. To remove yourself as an additional account from a device using the Oculus website, log in to secure.oculus.com/my/devices. Under Shared with Me, click Remove Myself from the device. With Quest 2, you can share eligible apps with additional account in your device. You can check which apps support app sharing in the Oculus Store. Apps that support app sharing will be available for selection when the admin account turns on app sharing button. To turn on app sharing from your device, select Setting from the navigation bar at the bottom. Select Account from the Settings sidebar. Turn on the bottom on for app sharing and you can share all your apps from the Oculus Store with other people on your device. To turn app sharing off, you can use the same button. How to set up the virtual home environment in Oculus Quest 2. So first, you have to go to Setting. And then we have here some tabs, but you have to go to Personalization Virtual Environment. And set the default home environment you see in VR when using the universal menu and browsing app. As you can see in my monitor, I have some virtual environment already, and I have the studio, and it says here apply. That means that I have already installed it. And the bubbles apply also. The classic home, I haven't installed it yet, that's why it says there install. Then the space station is already installed. The Cyber City I am presently installing it. As you can see, there is an X there and cancel. If I click the X there, it will be canceled. And the Ryokan Retreat, I haven't installed it yet. The Quest Dome, I already installed it, and Winter Lodge, Oculus. And what we have now, the active virtual home environment that I have now is Desert Terrace. And I have here the Brink. I haven't installed it yet. So this Desert Terrace is the one that we have here now. You can see this is the Desert Terrace. That is the default that I have. Okay, I will remove the panel here. Okay, you see the Desert Terrace is very good. Now I will change my virtual home environment, and I will look for this one, Winter Lodge. I will click the apply and let's see what will happen. Okay, suddenly the my home virtual environment has been changed to Winter Lodge, and this is how it looks like. Let's remove this. See, this is the Winter Lodge. If I want this virtual home to be my permanent or default virtual home, I will not change it. It remains as active. But I will try also the Quest Dome. This is the Quest Dome. This is how it looks like. The panoramic view is very, very good. Okay. If I turn around and check my surrounding here, okay, this is the Quest Dome. Let's try this studio. Okay, in a studio, it is set up in the middle of the forest. As you can see, there are some trees. Trees are surrounding us, and I can hear also the chirping of the birds. It's a very nice environment here. Okay, this is the studio, and I want to check the bubbles. Wow, this is the bubbles. There are some bubbles floating in the space, and the color is very nice. It seems like I am on top of the sky or the clouds with these bubbles. Wow, the color is very refined. It's amazing. Okay, if I want to change that to space station, okay, now I am on space station, and you can see, even if you look up, you can see the color of the sky or the universe. It's in here. I'll turn around and check. This is a very nice location. I think I will make it my default virtual home environment at this time. And I have still some here that I have to install. The Classic Home, the Cyber City, Ryokan Retreat, and also the Brink. And this is how you can set up your virtual home environment in your VR. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I do hope you learned from this video. See you in the Metaverse.